Free Whale, and from here we can also see the Chiltern Hills, where is the UK Prime Minister's country house. We're in Windsor Castle, which is also home for the Queen of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It's the longest standing royal palace in the world, because all the kings of England since the 11th century they have been living here.
Found a way to blue, another ghost to follow. Said it's only up to you. It's the hardest pill to swallow. So hold on to